Kids.
Hello, kids. Let's learn colors from A to Z. A for aqua. A for aqua. B for blue. B for blue. C for cyan. C for cyan. D for dark green. D for dark green. E for emerald. E for emerald. F for fuchsia. F for fuchsia. G for gold. G for gold. H for honey. H for honey. I for indigo. I for indigo. J for jade. J for jade. K for khaki. K for khaki. L for lavender. L for lavender. M for maroon. M for maroon. N for navy blue. N for navy blue. O for orange. O for orange. P for pink. P for pink. Q for quartz pink. Q for quartz pink. R for red. R for red. S for sky blue. S for sky blue. T for teal. T for teal. U for ultramarine. U for ultramarine. V for violet. V for violet. W for white. W for white. X for Xanadu. X for Xanadu. Y for yellow. Y for yellow. Z for zinc gray. Z for zinc gray. Great job, kids! You learned color names from A to Z. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye-bye. Bye.
Thank you, kids, for learning with me. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.